Southern Maryland midweek cruise-in, Arbys, Leonardtown. John, this is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks.
About burnt my transmission up. Yeah.
Frank's 49 here. Nice. Look at this 40 Mercury. That's a pretty neat car. Seen this 36 Ford before. This is my Pontiac G8, 2008. Mike's Mustang and Challenger. Looking pretty nice. Let's see what else is around here. A nice bullnose F-150. '66 F-100. That looks like the boys are getting ready to leave. 64 Biscayne. We'll get some video of that. Tim's new M57. Stay in delivery. Billy's Henry J. Nice. I think we've seen this Ford before. Yes, we have. Thompson back tires. I guess you need it. Got an LS turbo under the hood there. That's pretty neat. Nice Chevy square body. We've seen this one before. Lots of metallic in the paint. It's hard to see it. An LS. It's cleanly done. Look at this. It's a Plymouth. It's got a flathead 6-cylinder in it. That's a neat car. Let's look inside. It's a Belvedere. Pretty neat. All right, not a whole lot out today. Let's finish off with this Falcon. Seen him before. It's pretty nice. Got a small block in there. Air conditioning, you need that on a hot day. Nice Buick just rolled up. Seen him before. This car is really nice. Let's get a shot of this. Dynaflow. What year is that?
51.
51. Looks very nice.
Straight 8.
Yeah. Beautiful car. It's in wonderful shape, isn't it?
Not bad. It's mostly original. Only 46,000 miles.
That's good. 46,000 miles. Wow. Chevy truck. Step size. 6-liter LS. Look at that. Nice install there.
Oh, okay.
Seen this before. Super clean, square body. Oh look, there's the Buick. This Don's Cobra here. Got small block Ford power. House of Color orange paint. It's really nice. Looks like everybody's pretty much gone. That'll do it for the midweek cruise-in. Thanks for tuning in, folks. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for watching.